Weather 24/7, all local, all the time. Turn to Channel 3 for Weather Scan by the Weather Channel.
Currently in your area.
Currently, the temperature is 69 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. A flash flood warning, a severe thunderstorm watch, and a flood warning is in effect for our area.
Here's our local Doppler radar.
For tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. Low 64. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall possibly over 2 inches. Localized flooding is expected. Sunday, morning showers, possibly a rumble of thunder. High 70. Chance of rain 60%.
Your extended forecast.
Our 7-day outlook.